An English proverb which says the tongue ever turns to the aching tooth. Farta iyo meesha bug ayaa is og. The tongue ever turns to the aching tooth. Thanks. I am not sure where they went. They are floating around here somewhere. I'm not sure ma xaqiijin karo where meesha they went ay aadeen. They are floating around here. Waxa ay meeraysanayaan ama wareegayaan agagaarka halkan somewhere meel un. Float in this sentence means to drift or to wander aimlessly. Float means in this sentence to drift or wander aimlessly. I am not sure ma xaqiijin karo where they went. They are floating around here somewhere.